How to fix PNC Bank cannot wire transfer. To fix the PNC Bank cannot wire transfer error, you must resolve account limit restrictions, verify recipient routing identifiers, or bypass technical browser timeouts. So first things first, you simply have to match the cutoff times and account types. Standard domestic online wire transfer must be submitted before 4 p.m. EST on business days. To process same-day international wires must be submitted before 2 p.m. EST, and anything submitted after these times defaults to the next business day. And you can only wire funds from a standard personal checking, savings, or virtual wallet account. You cannot initiate a wire transfer using credit card funds, line of the credit account, or non-liquid brokerage profiles. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, do comment down below.